Hi, I am Mizan Rahman Khan. Welcome to my YouTube channel DRPC. Today I am showing a video of how to add security key or password in WPS Sheets. So, friends, check it out. Make a WPS sheet file for adding password or security key in these sheets. You can use this file Microsoft Excel as like alternative. Now open these sheets for password adding. Click mouse left button on WPS Sheets menu. Click on Option, then click on Security. Now we can add in password. Then click OK. Now we can save and close. Done. Then password adding checking. Input password. Click OK. Now we try to remove or change password for these sheets. Click mouse left button on WPS Sheets menu. Click on Option, then click on Security. Now we can clear or change password. Then click OK. Now we can save and close. Checking. Done. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and press on the bell button.